understanding trig functions. In this one, we're going to use them to find the area of a triangle. Okay, this one says find the area of the triangle, round your answer to the nearest tenth. Alright, we see that we have a 40-degree angle here, and we do not have the hypotenuse, and we have not used sine and cosine yet anyway. We only have the legs, and when we have the legs, we're always going to be using the tangent ratio. So, we look at 40 degrees and we say, oh, across from 40 degrees is 11, and we remember that in SOHCAHTOA, opposite over adjacent, that puts the number on the top and the x on the bottom. We don't like doing that. So we're going to look at this 40-degree angle and say if this is 40 degrees and this is 90, this must be 50. And we're going to do it the other way. We're going to say tangent of 50 degrees is equal to the opposite side, which is x, over 11. Okay, multiply both sides by 11 so that we can get the 11 out of the denominator. And let's use the Texas Instruments, making sure it's within your view. Okay, so we're going to say 11 times tangent 50 degrees equals 13.1. Okay, now it's 13.109. That 9 would make the 0 a 1, which will not affect that 1. So it's 13.1. Okay, are we finished? No. It says find the area of the triangle. So at this point you recall that the area, that's alpha for area, equals 1/2 base times height. And we say, yeah, if we turned this triangle upside down or sideways even, we have a base and a height, or a base and a height. Remember, your height is where that right angle is. So we're going to say 1/2 of the base times the height. It really doesn't matter which one you want to consider to be the base or the height. Okay, so you can key this in lots of ways. You can say 1/2 times the base times the height. And then just in my head, I'm going to say that's going to be about 66-ish so that I can tell if I'm in the right ballpark. Sense. Another way to key it in would be 11 times 13.1 equals, and then divide by 5. By 2. You can do it at home too. Okay, and this is meters squared. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, this one is already set up nicely for us because the x is already going to be on the top of our fraction. So we're going to say tangent 32 degrees equals x over 24. Multiply times 24. And we get 24 times tangent 32 equals 14.99. Now this 9 is going to kick this 9 over to make this 15. So it's approximately 15. But we're not finished. The area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 base times height. Now this one we can kind of do some of in our head because the base is 24. That's an even number and we can cancel. So this is going to be 12 times 15, and that's 180. And this is feet and feet, so it's feet squared. Did I put meters squared over there? I did. Okay, one more time. You make sure you're in my view. Oh, you are? Perfectly. Okay, looking at 56 already, the x is across from the 56. That's TOA, which is opposite over adjacent, and that puts our x over top. So tangent of 56 degrees is equal to x over 40. And we get, we'll use the Casio this time, those of you who don't have a Texas Instruments, 40 times 56 tangent. Now you know 1.48 is not that answer, that's just the tangent of 56, equals 59.3. Okay, if we turn this triangle around, we have a base of 40 and a height of 59.3. So we're to find the area. Area is equal to 1/2 base 40 times the height 59.3, or you could use 59.3 as the base, and you can cancel out that 2 and you get 20 times 59.3 is 1,186 inches squared. Okay, don't forget to put in your square inches. Alright, this one says, find the perimeter of the triangle round to the nearest tenth. Let me make sure you're still in vision. We're not. Let's put it up here.